everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a duck swimming in the water. First, draw a line like this. And then draw a C like this. And a line like this. Looks like somebody's tummy. And a wiggly line like this. And then draw a curve like this. And from this, connect it like this. And draw a line like this. And a line like this. This looks like a leaf, but it's not. And a line like this. And to this line, connect it like this. And then draw a line like this. And draw a line like this. And then draw one eye like this. And a circle like this. And in that circle, draw a circle like this. Squeaky sound. And then a line like this. And then a line like this. It's its beak, I think. And a line like this. We're done. It's time to color our picture. The water will color it blue, the duck will make it colorful and brightest. I'm done. Now we're on to the duck. Okay, now I'm going to use what we've seen for duck. Its eyes, blue, and his body. It's different than blue. Now I'll start coloring the body. I'll need my black. That's blue. Here. Look at the duck. It's like swimming in the water, but if you like, you can put his feet in the water. Okay. Now, we'll get our dark green out. Now we'll color our next color of the duck, which is our third color. Okay. Okay, he's done. Now I'll add the background. Finally. Now let me color. Okay, now I need my yellow to add on top of this one. I need another yellow. Oopsies. If you have a pencil too sharp, it will break too quick. Okay. I feel like I want to add something with my marker, which is still background. It's my black. Here it is. Oops. Bye. Oh, wait. Before I say bye to you, I really want you to tell you a story. Once upon a time, there were 5 ducks. They went swimming in a pond. One duck was missing, and then 2 ducks were missing, 3 ducks were missing, 4 ducks were missing, 5 ducks were missing, and then Mommy Duck went to find those ducks. They couldn't find, so in that timing, Daddy Duck came back from school, and then Daddy Duck helped Mother Duck. And then they found them. And then they all sang together 5 little ducks. I'll tell you the song now. 5 little ducks sitting. 5 little ducks swimming in the pool. One went over the mountain of snow. And the little one, Mommy Duck said, "Oh, where is the other one? I need to go find him. You stay here, 4 little ducks." And then the 4 little ducks went. The end. Bye. I made that song up though. Bye now.